today's video, we're gonna be doing like these wall decor frames, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I like print them out and like how I hang them up, and yeah. So the first thing we're gonna do is open up a document on the Google Docs. And we're just going to open up a blank document. Now we're just going to open another page and go into Google search, and we're going to search up the things we're going to want to print out, our frames. Yes, okay. So I searched up Coco Chanel I Am Fashion, and I'm just gonna look for a print I like, and yeah. Okay, so I like this print, so I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to go to my Google Docs, and I'm going to go to Insert, and I'm going to go into Image and Upload from the computer, and I'm going to look for my file, which is this one, and I'm going to click Open, and there's your image. So now we're gonna go back into Insert, and we're gonna click on Break, which will, or Page Break, and it'll make you have like a whole new page to put on another image. So now we have that. We're gonna go back onto Google, and we're gonna search for another image we'd like. Okay, so for this one I searched up eyelash wall art, and now I'm just gonna look for one I'd like. Okay, so I did type in something else. I typed in false lashes wall art print, and I'm liking this one, so I think I'm gonna go with this one. And we're just gonna do the same, save it, just give it a quick name down here, lash. I'm just gonna put lash, and I'm gonna save that. And now I'm gonna go back into my Google Docs, and I'm going to Insert, Image, go on to Uploads from Computer, and click on the document you just saved, and open it up, and there you have it. And since this did come with like this print at the bottom, I'm just gonna crop the image so it won't be there anymore. I'm just gonna press on the image and click this crop button, and I'm gonna scroll down and grab it, press on it, and bring it up to where I want to crop it, and you're done. Now for our next image, we're gonna just do the exact same. We're gonna go into Insert and Break and Page Break, Now you have another page. Now we're gonna go to Google Docs and search up for our next print. Okay, for my last print, it was I searched in Prada Pinterest to try to see if I could find like a better one, and I did. I found this one, which is in portrait form instead of like a canvas, because the frames I'm gonna hang up are just gonna be all in portrait. So this is like the best one I found, so I'm just gonna save this one and give it a quick name. Save it, go to my document and go to insert, go to image and upload from computer, and look for the one I just saved, which would be this one, and just open it. And now down here it says pick collage, so I'm guessing someone like made this. It's nice though, so we're just gonna crop this out by pressing on it and going to crop image and cropping it a bit right there. Oh. Make sure you grab the gray one and not the blue. Okay, there you go. Now you're just gonna click away, and there are your 3 images. And we're now just going to go to File, and we're going to press Print, and we're gonna print the images. So we're now just going to press Print, and we're going to make sure it's not on the 2-sided, which it's not, and we're now just gonna press Print. So here are all 3 of the prints. Whoa. But I kind of want the eyelash one more centered into the middle, so I think I'm gonna reprint that and make sure it's like centered properly. So yeah. Okay, so since you guys saw that the eyelash one wasn't like too like centered, I'm just gonna go to it. So I'm kind of dumb, so in order to like center it, I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna cut it. I'm gonna like type something, enter, and then insert image, upload from computer, and go to the one the one we're doing, the lash one. Open it up, and we're gonna crop the bottom writing by pressing on the crop, and we're gonna crop that. Where the hell did it go? Oh. Okay, now it looks like pretty centered, I think. Okay, it looks pretty centered, so we can now just delete these writings. And press File, Print, and in order to not print like all those 3 papers again, you're gonna choose which ones you want to print. You're gonna take off the All option and go to the number that you want, which would be number 2, which is the lash one, and you're just gonna type in 2, and now it'll tell you which one it's talking about. Now you're just going to print that. So now we have the last one more centered, and now let's get to framing them, and I'll show you guys how I'll hang them up. Okay, so these are the 3 prints we have and the photo frames, and these are from the Dollar Tree. They were each $1 and they measure 8 by 10, and I'm pretty sure the paper measures an inch more in height and in width, so we might have to cut it. Sorry, but yeah, or we're just gonna like shove it in there, you know. Okay. Yeah, so we're now just gonna put the pictures into the frames, and yeah. Okay, so these are all 3 of the picture frames, and I think I'm going to be hanging them up in this specific order, right up here on top of the vanity, and yeah, I'll show you guys the final result. So this is the final result. They came out very, very cute, and to hang them up I did use just a push pin. Doesn't matter the color since it's going to be just covered up, but I just used a push pin. But yeah, this is the final result, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.